Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be shrimp pasta salad. And to give y'all a little info on how I did this, only thing I did was add salt to the water for the noodles, and I boiled them 5 to 6 minutes to keep the noodles al dente. And to the water for the shrimp, only thing I did was add Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. I boiled them 3 to 4 minutes. I turned the heat off and I took them off the heat and allowed them to soak in the water so they can soak up all that good flavoring. And after that, you'll see that, hey, I just boiled everything and I drained everything and I added my cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, Italian dressing, and ranch dressing. It's simple, that easy. And after I finished making it, I put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. Yeah, it ain't nothing hard to making pasta salad, so don't make it hard. It's simple, easy, and it's very tasty, and the family will love it. This video is a continuation of our Memorial Day cookout, so you will see all the sides and the rest of everything else that we made at the end of this video. We hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you're new and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all, like the videos, and comment on the videos.
Not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries disappear. Yeah, it's all because of you. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true. Yeah, it's all because of you, because of you. And I don't fall in love so easily, 'cause I don't wear my heart up on my sleeve. Yeah, I don't know if you feel the same, but every time I hear your name, my worries disappear. It's all because of you. Yeah. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true. Yes, you do. It's all because of you, because of you. Oh.
Okay, y'all, so the queen, she's parboiling her chicken, and she have her seasoning in there, onions and bell peppers, along with her seasoning that she used, kicking chicken with a, oh my
it called? That smoky honey. I think it's like sweet and smoky heat.
Oh,
the barbecue season.
And she also pulled a Coke in there, and then she'll go in with a little barbecue sauce. So if y'all want to see this video, it's already a full video on the page, and I'll link that in the description box below. How she do her barbecue chicken.
Did you tell them barbecue sauce?
Yes.
Okay. And so I pot rocket, y'all. Jordan going in with my leg quarters. He cleaned them yesterday. A few of them he cut, and the rest of them he kind of kept whole. He's putting some on the grill, and some is going to go in the oven. And I know I had mentioned in a video before, like Jordan said, it's going to be linked. If you guys are interested in a full video to see why I parboil, because some people do, some people don't. I just like the barbecue and the seasoned flavor throughout my meat. I do not do it long. And what do you think about it? For somebody who never used to parboil a meat.
It's really good.
He loved my chicken. And he the chef. He's the professional catered chef. And when I showed him how I do it, he liked it. And it's not bragging or nothing. It's just how I was taught to get that full barbecue and seasoned flavor all the way through your meat, instead of just putting it on a grill. I'm gonna let this go for about 20 or so minutes, and I'm about to start on these baked beans.
Okay, crew. Here's the chicken that you about to put in the oven. Matriarch of the family, praise God that she's doing good. She over here making her famous potato salad. Ooh-wee. Mama doing her thing, y'all.
Yeah, thank you, Lord.
Yes, ma'am. I will. So y'all, that's the potato salad coming along. Okay, crew, we made it to the end of this video, and right here I'm just showing y'all everything that we have for Memorial Day. And as you see, those are the baked beans and the barbecue chicken that the queen made, and I made the hamburgers, the hot dogs, the hot links, the ribs, the pasta salad, and the leg quarters on the grill. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below and let us know what you think about our Memorial Day meal. We'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.